My name's Steve George and I'm a committee clerk. I'm clerk to the Petitions Committee and to the Committee for the Scrutiny of the First Minister. Well, as a committee clerk, my job is to ensure that the committee and the members of the committee they get the information that they need when they need it, that the papers for the meeting are produced on time. I help them with drafting the reports and arriving at recommendations they want to make and suggesting means by which they can take forward pieces of work. In a sense, I'm the sort of main advisor to the committee. I attended the very first ever meeting of the National Assembly back in 1999, and I subsequently went to the concert that was held overlooking the pierhead, where I found myself in the royal box behind Prince Charles, for reasons I won't quite go into, and I remember him laughing an awful lot at Max Boyce's jokes.